Composting is a great way to turn food scraps and yard waste into valuable fertilizer for your plants. A healthy compost pile consists of multiple layers of greens and browns along with water and air to help the material decompose. Greens are typically food scraps, coffee grounds, and grass clippings that contain high levels of nitrogen. Browns are more carbon rich, like thick cardboard, newspaper, dried leaves, and pine needles. Here are a few easy steps to start composting at home. Pick a 3-foot by 3-foot area or a large container with multiple holes for your compost pile. Break up the greens and brown material into small pieces, no bigger than about 2 inches. Start with a layer of browns on the bottom, then alternate layers of greens and browns until your compost pile or container is full. Add water to the top so your compost pile is consistently moist but not soggy. Turn the pile with a spade or pitchfork once a week to incorporate air into your mix. In about 2 months, you'll have nutrient-rich soil from what was once just garbage.